In this video, I'll show you how to use Binance spot trading. First, log into your Binance account and go to the Trade section, then select Spot. This is where you will buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly using your available balance. Next, choose the trading pair you want to use, such as BTC/USDT. This means you are trading Bitcoin against USDT. Once you select the pair, you will see the trading chart and the order panel. Now decide whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, click on the Buy tab. If you want to sell, click on the Sell tab. Make sure you are in the correct section before placing any order. After that, choose your order type. The most common option is Market Order, which buys or sells instantly at the current price. Another option is Limit Order, where you set the exact price you want to buy or sell. Next, enter the amount you want to trade. You can type the amount manually or use the percentage buttons like 25%, 50%, or 100% of your balance. Double-check everything before continuing. Now click Buy BTC or Sell BTC depending on your trade. Your order will be executed immediately if you used a market order, or it will stay pending if you used a limit order. After that, you can check your open orders or trade history at the bottom of the screen to track your activity. Finally, your assets will appear in your spot wallet, and you can hold them, trade again, or withdraw whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Binance spot trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.